In this video, I'll show you how to install Apache on Windows, run it as a service, and confirm that it's working. First, open your browser and search for Apache. Scroll down. Click the official site, httpd.apache.org. On the Apache website, click Downloads. Scroll down. You'll see a note saying Apache files from Microsoft Windows. Click that link. Here, you will see some download listings where Apache is hosted. I recommend Apache Lounge. It's reliable, secure, and commonly used for real projects. Once you're on Apache Lounge, download the latest Apache 2.4 Windows 64-bit zip file. After the download finishes, open the zip file and extract it. For simplicity, extract it directly to the C drive. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes. Now open the Apache folder. Go into the bin folder. This is where Apache is installed and managed. Right-click on the folder address bar and select Copy Address. Next, open the Start menu and type CMD or Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. In the Command Prompt window, change the directory to the Apache bin folder. Type this command, cd space, and paste the folder path. Next, press Enter. Once you're in the correct directory, install Apache as a service by typing httpd --k install. Then press Enter. If Windows Firewall asks for permission, click Allow Access. Apache is now installed as a Windows service. To start it, open the Start menu and search for Services. Scroll down and find Apache. Click Start. You should now see the service running. To confirm Apache is working, open your browser and go to 127.0.0.1. If you see the message, "It works," Apache is running successfully. This server is currently running locally on your computer, not on the internet. If you ever run into errors, open the Logs folder inside the Apache directory. That's where Apache records errors and startup messages. The web files Apache serves are located in the htdocs folder. Inside it, you'll find an index.html file. Open it with Notepad or any code editor, edit the text, save the file, and refresh your browser to see the changes instantly. That's all you need to get Apache installed and running on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.